Topics covered in coordinate geometry. First, we will introduce the Cartesian plane, where we will learn about the x-axis, the y-axis, the quadrants, and the precise technique of plotting points. From there, we will move on to the distance formula, focusing on how to derive and apply it to calculate the exact distance between any 2 points in a two-dimensional space. Lastly, we will explore the section formula, which teaches us how to find the coordinates of a point that divides a line segment into a specific given ratio. Welcome to our lesson on coordinate geometry. Today, we will be covering 3 essential topics. Once we have established these mathematical foundations, we will examine how these very principles are applied in real-world technologies, such as GPS navigation and computer graphics. Real-world applications of coordinate geometry. Now that we have explored the fundamental tools of coordinate geometry, such as the Cartesian plane, the distance formula, and the section formula, you might be wondering how these mathematical concepts apply to the world around us. As we can see on this slide, coordinate geometry is actually the backbone of many modern technologies. First, consider navigation and global positioning systems, or GPS. These systems utilize a spherical coordinate system, using latitude and longitude to pinpoint exact locations anywhere on Earth. In the realm of computer graphics and game design, every single pixel on your screen is defined by a specific coordinate. Creating the immersive 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional environments we see in modern gaming requires complex coordinate geometry to accurately render movement and perspective. Furthermore, architects and civil engineers rely heavily on these principles. They use computer-aided design software, commonly known as CAD, to create highly precise blueprints for everything from massive skyscrapers and bridges to intricate machinery. Finally, in aviation, air traffic control depends on coordinate-based radar systems. This allows controllers to track the precise position and trajectory of aircraft in real time, which is vital for maintaining safety in our skies.